Ever found yourself dreading the thought of opening up your server just to swap out a hard drive? This trayless mobile rack claims to make that a thing of the past, promising seamless, hot-swappable convenience. It's a solution specifically crafted for server computers, designed to streamline your storage management in a way that feels almost too easy. What immediately stands out is the hot-swappable technology. Imagine being able to install or replace a drive without ever having to power down your system. That's a massive time saver and a huge boost to uptime, especially in a critical server environment. No more fumbling with tiny screws or wrestling with drive trays. You just slide your drive in or out. Compatibility is excellent too. This bay is ready for both 2.5-inch and 3.5-inch hard drives. Specifically, it accommodates 2.5-inch drives up to 9.5 in thick and 3.5-inch drives up to 26 in thick, which covers a vast majority of drives you'd likely be using. So whether you're working with SSDs or traditional HDDs, you're pretty much covered. And when it comes to performance, this rack doesn't hold back. It supports a fast data transfer rate of up to 6 gigabits per second. While your actual speed will always depend on the hard drive itself, the rack ensures it won't be the bottleneck in your setup, allowing for efficient file access and storage operations. Installation is surprisingly simple, which is always a welcome relief. The package includes everything you need: a data cable, a power cable, the necessary screws, keys for security, and a clear user manual. You won't be left scrambling for extra parts, making the setup process smooth and hassle-free right out of the box. Overall, this Trayless HDD mobile rack cage bay feels like a genuinely thoughtful piece of kit for anyone serious about server management. It takes the headache out of drive maintenance, offering a blend of speed, broad compatibility, and unparalleled convenience. It's a solid upgrade that truly delivers on its promises.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.